Houston, 3 hours later. It only take me 2 hours to get here. Traffic is horrible, but I drove 80 miles an hour. The trailer did not have a blowout, so we good. Riding one deep, Seth behind me in the Z01. Gotta find a parking spot, getting some VIP service. What's up, man? All right, finally checked into the hotel. About to unload the car, see what everybody got going on, see what we can get to tonight.
You mean to hand you the keys once you get in?
Oh no, it's good.
You sure?
Yeah, it's good.
The splitter dragged a little bit.
You didn't come to Texas 2K this year, shame on you.
Thank you, Rich. You brought your V out here, huh?
Nope, my V is sitting at the shop clean and relaxing. We about to beat on this vet tonight. All these guys that y'all see, 90% of them came out here to street race. The other 10% of them came out here to street race, but their car is broke. So I'm about to go ahead and get my cameras mounted, and we're gonna head out. They're making us some fresh guacamole. Hola. We're at a car meet in Houston, Texas, and they playing nothing about this music they playing makes me want to go fast. Makes me want to go home. You're gonna see me roll some people up. You're gonna see me get rolled up. A lot of these boys spent their whole income tax check just for this night. See what's popping. I was about to go over there. I'm ready when you're ready.
I'm Fred, by the way.
Don, bro. Nice to meet you, man.
What's the setup on the Z06?
Setup on the Z06 is gotta warm up right quick. 427 LSX block. F18 Pro Charger is on about 12 pounds of boost, making roughly 850, 900.
Gotcha.
Yeah. We got two big boys in the car, so she should hook up.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? making pulls, and this lady comes in my lane and bumps us.
We're just cruising.
Yeah, let's go about 70.
Yeah, 70 something.
Yeah.
Like, just like comes over like it's fucking bumper cars.
He didn't ditch you up or nothing, though.
Nah, he just, like, it was a barely bump, bro. Like,
yeah, I'm proud of it, bro. It pulled good.
So you're driving the white.
Yeah, the 2019 01,
yeah.
Bone stock.
Bone stock.
Bone stock.
And
Nothing done to it.
this vet makes what, 860?
860,
I
bro.
mean, 860 on the dyno, and that thing was staying with us for a little while there.
It was
That's
a little
impressive.
run. That automatic transmission a beast.
Oh, yeah.
That automatic
Yeah, I'm
transmission.
proud of it, bro. I'm real proud of it.
Hell yeah. Oh, thank you for the ride, man.
See how I'm gonna keep this tail light in, bro.
It's the angle that he was going at. I thought for sure he was gonna just pit maneuver y'all.
It gave you a little scratch, but it's
It's a race car, bro.
I mean, it's not like he owns a paint and body shop, you know?
Yeah, it was a soft tail, bro.
From our angle, man, it didn't look soft. It scared the hell out of us, man.
I'm about to take a boat out of something else.
What's going on?
Well, my boat came on my tail light. I bet you got a boat on this truck out here. Let me see. Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah, it's not stealing, it's improvising.
I'm just borrowing it. I'm gonna bring it back.
Earlier, Dom did a pull so hard that his tail light flew out.
Took a Dodge boat, put it on the Chevy, baby. So I just pulled off Dodge Ram, put it in my tail light so we can get home, baby. Hey, Ish. Hey, I can't make this up. 1320 got it on video. We make our pulls, right? Chick comes in a Dodge Neon on side of me, bro. And just boom, bumps the Vic.
Hits the vet? No.
Yeah.
Are they pulled over right now? Getting information or what?
I mean, bro, scuffed it. Then on my first hit, I run
Dodge
this.
Neon.
Look, on my first hit, I run the ZR1. Look, first hit, bah, hit it. We slow down. He goes, "Your tail light popped out." My tail light swinging, bro. Everybody comes and say, "Hey, bro, your tail light out." We're like, let's race.
And you're still making hits.
Still making hits.
Hey, it's like, I got a body shop. I'll paint that shit tomorrow.
Yeah, right. It's a race car, bro. Man, I'm pumped up. I ain't gonna lie, I'm pumped up, man. My baby did good. She threw a tail light out the back.
Let's roll.
On the first hit, and then we just kept running. I think from now on, I go make some pulls in the Z. I'm popping my tail light out. That's just G code. Popping the tail light out, and we're gonna make some hits. So anybody that's gonna run me, it's gotta be a 6-year-old. Hey, Seth, anytime I race from now on,
Stay behind you.
no, I'm popping my tail light out.
You wanna go catch that on camera where that other car hit you? So like I got where he actually hit you at.
Look the tail light out.
Yeah.
Hey, I think we have it on video where you did the pull and it flew out.
Look at my.
This is where that guy hit you at right here.
See, I kind of seen him coming, and then I went over.
Yeah.
Yeah,
what I'm
watch.
saying?
I think that might
Your
have
tail
saved
light
you, man.
was out right after we got done racing, so it's like your tail light's still in. If we get back behind you,
Yeah, I
it's
see
gone.
that. I see that. Man, you was right there, bro. That was a good
Tail
run.
lights
I'm done racing, bro. I done had my fun.
You ready to head back?
I don't even know where we at. We're not that far. About 20 minutes. Let's see where they gonna go, and then we're gonna go from there. And Texas 2K could be like this every year. 1320 riding in the car, me making pulls, just having fun, bro. People running into me, playing bumper cars, stuff like that. Look at my baby, man. She earned every dollar today, bro.
Oh yeah.
So y'all slammed on the brakes in the sunflower seat.
The sunflower seat bag open and it just came all up in here.